Hi, this is Law Technology, and this is going to be Technology Feature of the Week. That's why I'm still living room. Mama, can you... That's Pop-Tarts. What's on the plate?
Soap.
A bar of soap?
Yep.
It's real soap, right?
Yes!
Okay. That was a paid testimonial. Let's go into the kitchen here. So, what is that? I think we all know. That's a microwave. Here. Well, this is a working microwave, see? You can sort of kind of see it turning. But what are we going to do? You got it. We're going to put this bar of Dove in the microwave for 2 minutes. Pressing the 2 button. That's our express button. 2 minutes. Let's watch as this soap eventually grows. Oh, it's starting. I can smell it. It smells good. Okay, that's enough. Look at that. The soap melted. Is that not crazy? Let's go back to our paid testimonial. What does it look like happened here?
Melted.
Yes, it did. Do you know why it melted?
Because it got hot.
No, because it's not friggin' Ivory soap. This is Dove antibacterial crap. Anyway, this is Dove antibacterial soap. It melts apparently. Although, if at home you get a bar of plain Ivory soap, just a square, regular square Ivory soap, no antibacterial, smelly moisturizer, hypoallergenic crap like I got. It won't melt. Instead, it will grow to almost 10 times its original size. Yeah, that was this week's Technology Feature. This is Law Technology. Thanks for watching.